Welcome back to Effort Expo YouTube channel. So today I'm going to take you to Iconsiam. Iconsiam is mixed-use development, which includes one of the largest shopping malls in Asia. If you like to visit Iconsiam, you can take the ferry provided by Iconsiam from various piers, including Saturn Pier, Sheraton Hotel Bangkok. The most important thing to do at Iconsiam is iconic multimedia water features, which is the water illumination, and is recorded to be the longest in Southeast Asia, which covers around 400 meters. And most importantly, it's free of charge. If you want to check it out, they are opening for 4 rounds. The first round is open at 4:30 p.m. Second round is open at 6:30 p.m. The third round is open at 8 p.m. And the last round is open at 9:30 at the River Park Iconsiam.